Good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 10 of Writing 213. So this week you're continuing to do your own reading based on your project topic. And we're also engaging in peer review. A couple of you got behind on your draft, and so I've extended that deadline until October 30th. So some of the groups got rocking and rolling pretty early, and some are just getting together today. So regardless, use this week as a peer review week where you're seeking response to your writing and thinking carefully about your draft. So once you open the peer review document, you'll see that I've revised the due date until the 30th. And then you have until, I just made a typo here, November 3rd to polish and submit your draft. So you're eligible to participate only if you've submitted an approved draft to me, and I've included your names here. If you still want to submit a draft today or even tomorrow, that would probably be okay. But beyond that, check in with me if you're still experiencing difficulties. So your final draft will be due on the 3rd. Make sure that you're checking in with me if you have any questions, and I will be in my office hours this week. I hope you're all doing well. Take care.